Seeing you got ritualistic, cleansing my soul of addiction for now, cause I'm falling apart. Yep. Tension between us just like big fences. You got issues that I won't mention for now, cause we're falling apart. Passionate from miles away, passive with the things you say, passing up on my old ways. I can't blame you, no. Passionate from miles away, passive with the things you say, passing up on my old ways. I can't blame you, no, no.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh, there's downstairs. There's a downstairs.
There's a downstairs?
And there's 2 bottles of water.
Whoa. Oh, I didn't expect it to be this big. Oh my God, what? Oh my gosh.
Oh my.
This mug is big. Thank you, sir. Muchas gracias, muchas gracias. It's a hot tub up in here?
Hot tub up there. Pull down here.
What?
And the views are crazy. You know the views are crazy. Crazy. In the morning, bro. Oh,
I can't wait for the sunrise. I'm gonna be right here at this table.
Oh my God. Oh my God.
What?
Wow. 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 The stars in the sky.
Oh, I love the stars.
Oh,
we got the best house in this thing.
We really do. Period. Only the best for Darren and his peeps. All right. Hey Queens, it's Candace Marie and I'm back again with another video. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. And if you're new, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. So y'all, welcome to another travel vlog. We just touched down in Los Cabos, Mexico. We are celebrating my best guy friend's birthday. His name is Darren. I don't think y'all have seen him on my channel before, but child, we just got into the villa and the pictures do not do it justice. Okay, I was looking online, I was looking at YouTube. So I'm gonna go ahead and give y'all a quick tour before the, house looks like, lived in and stuff like that. It is about 8 o'clock at night. We've had a full day of travel and then we wanted to grab some food, which y'all saw earlier. But like I said, I'm gonna go ahead and get into this villa tour because I do not want to, miss out on this opportunity for y'all to show y'all Pueblo, Bonito, Montecristo Estates, y'all. That's where we are staying. And like I said, it has exceeded my expectations. So I'm gonna go upstairs. I'm gonna go ahead and do a full tour. It might be a little fast and it's going to be dark because like I said, it's 8 o'clock at night and y'all just gonna have to deal with it, but I think it'll still be nice. I try to show y'all a quick overview in the morning. Okay y'all, so I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all the outside. You come through the double doors, you see this beautiful fountain. That is the living room, and then this is the master bedroom. As you can see through. It has the tub, and like I said, it's the master bedroom with the king. Go ahead and go around. So this is the living room space. This is so nice. Let me go over here.
The grandfather doing sandals.
Look at the details. This is the kitchen area. Not the kitchen area, the dining room and the kitchen area. This kitchen is big. Look at these stainless steels, the hood. Look at the light fixtures.
We might lose internet.
And then you go outside. As you can see, we got the Montecristo on the window. We have a grill, and I'll do another overview in the morning, of course, but this is the patio area. We have the hot tub down here, and look at the view. It is so stunning, even at night. We have the pool downstairs, and I'm gonna go ahead and go back inside. I gotta wash these glass doors, y'all, because I almost ran into one. But I'm gonna go over here to the room. So this is Darren and Dom's room. It's the king bed. Super nice. All flat screen TV, super big. They have a view to the hot tub, which that's really nice. And then we're gonna go in the bathroom. Y'all saw the tub from outside. Is this the toilet? Yep, toilet area. And then they also have a shower. Oh my God, that is so nice. You have the double sinks, and then this huge closet. What are they even gonna do with this big old closet? Full length mirror. It's the finishing touches for me. The full length mirrors, the big old closets.
Thank you for this, brothers.
So now we're gonna go over here. This is a spare bedroom. I'm gonna try to cut it so it's not copyright. So now we're going downstairs. That was all upstairs. Y'all, they have a whole laundry room. They have a whole laundry room on the downstairs floor. This is my room. It is so nice. Look at all this shelving. Ooh, they have extra pillows. So I got the queen bed, and it feels like bigger than a queen bed to me. It looked like a queen and a king almost. But I have the flat screen TV here. I have a gorgeous view of the pool, y'all. I am so excited to see what this sunrise is gonna look like in the morning. Like, I did not expect to have a view like this, but I was kind of envisioning like having like a pool view, especially with like the infinity pool and everything. And then we have more closet space here, y'all. Got the robes. Got some more closet space here. They making me want to hang up all my stuff. I'm usually one to keep my stuff in here in the suitcase or whatever. And so y'all, look at this tub. Look at this tub. So I got the rain shower, rain head shower. I don't know what it's called, but y'all see the details. It's giving very much luxury. It's giving very much, I want to do a get ready with me in here. I got my own private toilet, which is amazing. And then let me go out here to the common area. I might have to cut it because of copyright. So we got a common area here, another outlet to the pool area. And then there's 2 double beds in here, another big old flat screen TV. They have the toilet area here, big shower. I love these closets. They did that. They did that, O'Neal. They did that. So yeah, I love the installations of the closets, the bathrooms. The finishes are definitely giving luxury. And they have also a view to the pool. So I love how all the rooms have views to the pool and the balcony. I'll go outside the other way. So we're back in the common area. We have the pool here, and y'all, we tested the water and it's actually warm. Like, there's actually a cup floating over there, so we need to get that out. But the pool is warm. That's super exciting. And then we have more seating over here. So everybody is gonna have like their own chair, their own lounge area. And this is Pueblo, Bonito, Montecristo, y'all. Like I said, the videos and the pictures were not doing it justice. This place is beautiful, it's immaculate. And honestly, I want to bring my people back here. But yeah, y'all, I just wanted to give y'all a quick tour and I wanted to introduce the vlog. We are going to hang out by the pool. I'm gonna go ahead and get changed into my swimsuit and just enjoy the night. It is only night 1. We're staying 5 days and tomorrow we have a city tour and a sunset catamaran. So your girl gonna have to get some sleep for that, but tonight should be really fun. I'm super excited. This is my first international trip since DR last year. If you're not new to my channel, you saw that pinned on my front page, and it's been a year, girl. So it's April now. I have not been on an international trip in a year. So when Darren was like, we going to Cabo for his birthday, I was like, I'm going to Cabo for your birthday, okay?
What tastes like?
Yeah, I like options. All night in the body like this. In my neck, fast like the edge waxing. And you better talk nice if you wanna hop in. Oh,
I don't like this.
if you don't know, girl, I wanna.
You have to have a drain somewhere.
Good morning, y'all. So today is Friday. It's our first full day. Excuse the sweat because your girl got up and ran with Darren and his brother. And when I tell y'all, running up these hills and running through got me tired, but it was a great workout to start the day. I wanted to come on here and show y'all the view. There we go. So this is the view from my room, y'all. As y'all can see, it is gorgeous. Like, I literally got up at 7 this morning and was just taking it all in and, you know, just thanking God for putting me in this position where I can enjoy experiences like this with the people I care about. And so today we are going on a city tour and we're also doing a private boat. So I just want to come out here and check in. I'm going to bring my camera. We need to make sure we have like bug spray, sunscreen. I got some deodorant, girl, because we're going to be outside. I'm not wearing nothing too crazy, just a black dress. I'm going to put on some Air Maxes. I don't even know if I want to wear like jewelry or anything because it's super casual. And so, yeah, I will see y'all once we get to the tour. Yes.
back on the fire on the other furnace, so they actually can cook it up. Okay. Basically, lower the temperature, just gradually lower it, use anything.
Only these
We are not going to use
Only
the
blue
leaves.
agave
We're gonna
for the
use what is
tequila.
on the ground. What is on the ground is something that might
That
not
is so
be
cool.
on the head of the agave.
So it's not the leaves. It's the thing that's under.
It's just on the ground.
This
Oh,
thing
so
that's
it's under.
Tequila. There.
So it's like the roots?
It's like the root. We call them the head of the agave.
Okay.
This process is coming in 4 steps. The first step we call it the hima. The hima is when we have all the agave, and the himador, that is the person in charge of doing the job, he's going to choose the agave that is ready. He's going to cut the leaves. He's going to take out the agave, then he's going to cut it in half. Then he's going to take it to the cooking process. The cooking process will take between 24 to 48 hours.
Okay.
When it's ready, it's going to be soft, it's going to be sugary, but we need to take out all the juice. To do it, we used to have this traditional smashing. The name is Saona, and we used to have horses and donkeys that were in charge of doing all the smashing. After we got all the juice, then we take it to the fermentation process, and it will take 72 hours more. When we have it, it's just like get it in the States, you don't get it in Canada, you don't get it in commercial areas. Just in the stores that we have in Cabo.
Homemade.
Okay? Ready?
Homegrown.
Okay, this way.
Mama's cool.
I'll see you here. I'll wait in the spot.
Thank you, sir. Gracias, gracias.
Just in front of the market. This tequila that I'm going to give you is going to be blanco. Okay. This tequila, is one of my favorites. If you keep it chilled, it's really nice. It's going to be the strongest, good for shots, good for mixing. This is the only tequila that we export in some places, but the ones that we have, they are made just for Cabo. So it's nicer, the flavor, okay?
And this is the white tequila you're talking
This
about.
is white tequila, no age.
Blanco. It's right, straight up.
Yeah. Silver is 1 or 2 months in the case. Who's missing? Does anybody listen? Who's missing?
Everybody got one?
Anybody?
Hey, Kev, get right in.
Oh.
In the back.
Okay, I'm going to explain you the way that you're going to do it.
Okay.
Okay. That's the way.
You will smell the tequila. Then you will hold it in your mouth 1 or 2 seconds, drink, and just after you leave it blow out. And that way it's not going to move. Ready, señores?
Yes.
Salud.
Salud.
Beautiful. This is great.
What do you think? It's really nice.
Holy crap.
I told you.
Doesn't burn at all.
Hey.
That is it.
Yo.
It's almost like got a sugary thing on the
Oh,
back
that's,
end. Did you
that's
guys
great.
get
We
that?
need some of that.
This is reposado.
That's
Okay.
Reposado.
No egg, 1 year age.
So the process is all the same. It's just how long it ages.
So
1 year age in whiskey.
how long is that age?
This is 1 year.
1 year, and
1
that's
year. This is
That's
not
straight out.
straight out.
This is the.
But aging in the bottle
in the
doesn't
barrel.
count.
No.
Only in the bottle.
Just
In the barrel.
Is that what gives it its color? Like,
It's the color, the flavor of the.
And that the reposado is the whiskey, like it weighs in the
It's aging whiskey.
In whiskey barrels.
whiskey barrel, yeah.
So, what kind of wood does the barrel do you use for the barrels?
It could be different. The one that you're trying is whiskey. Could be bourbon, could be French gold, cherry oak.
No, it changes into
And you'll taste that as it ages.
That's awesome.
What's the point? That's
whiskey barrels.
This is whiskey.
Is this whiskey or a reposado?
I have an aging whiskey barrel.
What is a whiskey barrel?
So it's reposado and it's aging in a whiskey barrel.
Okay. Señor.
That was wow.
Okay, señores, salud.
Same thing. So hold it in your mouth.
The same process.
Hold it in your
I'll put
mouth.
it down.
Salud. Yeah, hold it in your mouth and then blow out.
I think I like this better.
Because a more egg is going to be really rich in flavor, but without the burning sensation. Okay?
Yeah.
Then
I could drink that like
Luego
music.
tu añejo
Bro,
también
that
trae-
was blowing out.
Añejo
This
trae
could really get someone
tequila.
drunk.
You can see
That's
the
dangerous.
difference in the color.
Yeah.
How much is this bottle?
That this bottle is $50. This is tequila Noel,
Yeah.
1 year, 3 years.
That's pretty cool.
Now, still in a whiskey bottle?
Whiskey
I
barrel.
would have my, I would open my
You
Yeah.
start with the diesel fuel and you work your way up to the
Oh, this one is
What was that?
$70, but it's really nice.
I like that one.
Yeah, that
Oh,
one.
I like the little sweet now. Yeah, that's a little sweet now.
That sweet.
Reposado.
So,
I like that.
But
you gotta start buying more.
Cabo, they are different.
I like
Like
that.
the
shit that's at the store.
Jose
Cuervos and stuff. Like.
So
like
what
that.
what
Julio's
can we
authentic.
get that's most authentic over in this, you know? What's most authentic that's kind of
Commercialized.
In the
commercialized, yeah. That you recommend?
Julio 1942 is really nice tequila.
Everyone says.
Oh, the expensive one.
You have some commercials that they are nice.
Nice, yeah.
What about Casamigos?
Casamigos too?
Casa Dragones is nice, they are commercial, but
Yeah.
not like the big brands.
Yeah. Can we get that over in the United States?
In some places.
Some places?
Some places.
Pantera Negra, sí. But the ones that we have, they are any longer for some.
Ah, see.
Para $20, salud.
Salud.
bottles are getting smaller and
That was a smooth. That was a smooth.
That was a strong.
What was that one?
Añejo 3 years.
And that's 3 years? Okay.
Then this is the extra añejo. The color change.
Over
Gonna
10
be
years.
darker,
Darker.
gonna be really rich in flavor.
They said don't share
How
that.
long is this one?
5 years.
5 years.
And we are changing to 5 years, 8 years. Remember, this is food.
So how often is this a new barrel made? For every 5-year period.
I can't wait to get to the 50.
Facts. You'd be drunk by then.
No. You don't get a little drop. Those syringe drops.
You said it was bourbon? You said bourbon? So bourbon,
Okay, but
in terms of the barrels, right?
We use the juices, whiskey barrel,
I can't-
whiskey wine,
couple more drops.
Shut up. Sir, may I please have some more?
Some more, son.
Some more.
Some more.
I have to get
All right, let's cheers.
You can't what? Oh, you don't do that? Yeah. You don't need that for this. Salud.
Wow, that's smooth.
It's getting smoother and smoother.
It's like cream. It's like creamy almost.
Wow. Extra in it.
Have that on the rocks.
That's awesome.
There's more?
Something darker than that?
You getting it chilled too?
Oh, that's gotta be the
Spoiling
tea.
us.
Almond tequila, like tequila base.
Oh, wow.
I've never seen almond tequila.
Wow.
I've never seen it. You can chill and tea, you can make a margarita. Yeah.
Oh,
Is this like a dessert type thing?
It's like a dessert.
Yeah, you hangover. Yeah, you'll be a hangover waiting to happen.
great.
We're drinking this when we go back to drinking the humidor at the
Oh wow, it smells like it smells like cherries almost.
Salud.
What just happened? What just happened? Salud. That's medicine.
That's too sweet.
Too sweet. Yeah.
I'll drink
That's a
that.
liqueur.
too. I like that.
You have to mix it in a drink.
That's a hangover.
Maybe like a
That's a
bitter drink.
hangover waiting to have for real.
Maybe like some ice tea.
That's a liqueur though. It's like you mix
Oh,
You mix it with
I'd mix it with mezcal.
You can try to make a good like brunch drink with that.
Hell yeah. Little dash of that with
Yeah.
Chocolate.
I've never had chocolate tequila.
Chocolate.
we had chocolate tequila one time.
This is so fun.
Chocolate tequila.
Oh my god.
About chocolate tequila.
It's vanilla right here.
I've never seen that. There's vanilla. This is okay.
Is that almond?
Yeah.
I've never been like the city for this stuff. I've only just did the boats and like that.
Chocolate.
I want to make sure we get outside.
Any of these.
And that one, I want to eat that there. He could.
If you don't leave us.
Salud. Cheers.
I say why not?
See, I like the flavored one.
Oh,
I like that. Coffee? I know you would like that.
Yeah.
It's a
Yeah.
You gotta look at this. Look at
Yeah.
That's 20%.
Damn, yeah. It's a coffee. That shit would go in.
20%.
Bro, we need all of it. Wow.
What chocolate is that? What about
What is chocolate?
We gotta make some drinks on this
Coconut
stuff.
cream.
Nah, it's different, man. We need this where we at.
I know.
That chocolate one got me. Not got me.
Yeah.
Just a bite.
Me too.
Oh, it's nice. It's got like, yeah. Cheers, everybody.
Oh, I missed that one.
That's got
Sorry.
some coconuts
I
in
missed
there.
that one.
Oh, that's
Okay, I'm gonna give you the information in the whole week. And after 3 years in this net, the oyster is ready for the plantation.
3 years in that net?
Yeah.
Wow.
Okay, for the plantation we use a nucleus. Like this, the nucleus needs to be organic and come from this part of the oyster. We put the nucleus and mantle inside the oyster, and this process needs to be ready in less than 1 minute because if you exceed that time, the oyster can die. So after the plantation, we put the oyster for inside more time.
Yeah.
And the pearls will get more bigger.
Wow.
So right here we can see different colors like purple, white, pink. These colors come from this kind of oyster.
So does the color, can you decide what color, or is it just what it
No,
pops out?
it depends the oyster. The oyster decides the color. Wow. Yeah, right here we can see dark purple, green, black. These colors come from this kind of oyster.
Oh.
We can decide the color is depends the oyster. So please take one. Don't open it. Sí. Sí, gracias. If you buy something, you get 35% off. So this is for you. Inside is a pearl. We're on the one color. We don't Let's see.
My pearl!
Yes.
Mother of pearl.
Okay. Wow. Right here we have two pearls.
So those naturally just came out. Those are.
That's real. No, this is a cunting pearl. So we put two necklaces inside the oyster.
Oh my.
Wow.
And it took 5 years to
Yeah.
become a pearl.
See. Wow. All right, that's for you. That's the person of the company.
Let's go!
Our necklace.
How much is that worth?
It
worth-
depends.
Priceless, man.
Yeah.
Priceless.
What does it depend on?
Start at $600.
The color, the shine.
Let's go! How do you say this? Pull that side, mine not going?
Turn it into earrings.
It's around
I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. ones that ain't cool beside. All the niggas round me, right in the guy. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I'm outside in an AMG, right outside. DT, two-time baby, but you know me. All the niggas round me.
Hey y'all, so I just wanted to come on here and check in. We are about to do the private catamaran tour. Y'all know my favorite part about vacations is going on boats, and so we rented a private boat for Darren's birthday. I just want to come on here and show y'all my super cute outfit. So this set is from my girl D's boutique. It is called Millionaire Babe Co. I love it so much. She has, I think, it in black and pink too, and maybe blue. But y'all, when I saw this on her website, I knew I had to have it for Cabo. So let's hope your girl gets some good pictures. I should. The guys are taking really good pictures so far, so I love it. It has the back open, and yeah, I will hit y'all up when we get on the boat. I'm having such an amazing time, and y'all, it's only day one. Like, we got 3 whole more days here, and this is only the beginning. I am super excited for everything, and I'm gonna go ahead and get off this camera so I can make me a little mixed drink before we get on the boat, and I will see y'all then. Ain't this great? We made it to the boat, y'all. It's so big. It's got these little beds. Excited. We're gonna have drinks, we're gonna have food. Darren, how you feeling, homie? How you feeling, bro?
Living life, my boy. I ain't right here in Cabo, you know, having a blast.
You're an entertainment master.
I'm pushing P. Just for P.
Corners in the paddock, get my piece. Push a P. Cop new helmets for my P. We don't want no peace. Got a spot across the spot. J for peace. Drop the dot and now we plant beside the peas. She not a lesbian for peace. She turned lesbian. Push a P. Push a P. On capital P, I write the president. Count presidents. Push a P. On her knees, mopping down the P.
Money, yeah, gon' get that money, yeah. Rags to riches, 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 rags to riches.
She let me squeeze if she leave, cause she keep the P. Privacy, bitch, I'm pushing P. Purple paint, pussy pink, bitch, I'm pushing P. Push a P, push a P, push a P, push a P, yeah. Push a P, push a P, push a P, push a P. Corners in the paddock, get my piece. Push a P. Cop new helmets for my P. We don't want no peace. Got a spot across the spot. J for peace. Drop the dot and let it.
We moving. Got that shit moving. Yeah, up. Too sexy for your game. Too sexy for this thing. Yeah.
Bitch, I'm pushing P. Purple paint, pussy pink. Bitch, I'm pushing P. Push a P. Push a P. Push a P. Push a P. Yeah. Push a P. Push a P.
Took a half and she took the whole thing. Slow down, baby. We took a trip, now we on your block, and it's like a ghost town, baby. Where did these niggas be at when they say they doing all this now? When the trenches relax, can you not pay that little boy in the club? Cause we do not listen to rats. We in Atlanta, I buy her weed, she telling me Tay is the best. Pointed that nigga for I like a killer, but you only want from the neck. I'm like the baby, I'm not just a rapper, you feel me, you won't get stretched. Bring Drake to the hood, round Drake, even though I got a case, I'ma do what it takes.
the next day. Today is Saturday, and I'm sorry I didn't check in earlier, but y'all saw last night we went to this place called Crush. Super lit. Y'all, we found the black people in Cabo. That's all I gotta say. It was super fun. I definitely would recommend if you are coming to Cabo and wanting to go downtown. We're gonna go downtown again, probably hit some more bars and all that. We had a really great time. And now we are at this place called Pueblo Bonita, and it's the Rose Resort, because with your stay at any Pueblo Bonito resorts, you basically get access to their other resorts too, which is what I love, y'all. One thing I can say, y'all, like, for the price we paid, we are getting a lot for our money. Like, from the on-site transportation from your villa to the lobby or any of the resorts. We also got a shuttle to here on like a coach. I'll show y'all that later. But I definitely would recommend Pueblo Bonito. Like, I am usually one to stay at like the all-inclusive resorts and stuff like that, but the villas are super nice, and the fact that we get to go to multiple resorts with our one stay is ultimately like so good. So as y'all can see, we're at the Rose and the building is pink. It's super cute. We're gonna hang out by the pool, catch some vibes. I just want to come on here and introduce the vlog. I slept in today, y'all. Didn't really do much, and yeah, I will definitely show y'all the vibes, show y'all more of Pueblo Bonito as I, you know, go around the resort and stuff, because I know y'all like that. But I'm gonna go ahead and get off this camera. I just wanted to say hey and check in, and the rest is gonna be B-roll, but it's gorgeous, it's beautiful, so I'm gonna try to soak it all in. I'm telling you.
has taken time, take time. But I always knew you could be mine. I recognize the butterflies inside me. Sense is gonna be made tonight.
Hey y'all, we are back. I am changed, showered, and ready for the night. We are bringing in Darren's birthday, and I just wanted to wear like something real cute, real vacation-y. I actually got this from Amazon, so I just want to come on here and show y'all how to pop out with my JBW 1908 necklace. I got this necklace from Target. I don't really know how I like it, but I do need to put on some earrings for sure. But like I said, I just want to come on here and check in. We are about to bring in Darren's birthday, so I wanted to grab my camera and show y'all. But night 2 in Cabo, it should be good.
One time, take a sip. It's more life. One love. We work hard for this.
Right there, my boy.
One life. It's a blessing to be here. It's a blessing to be here with y'all, especially enjoying these life experiences together, laughing, loving, planning, plotting, getting ready for the rest of our lives. And today is just a moment, and a culmination of all the moments that we're gonna live. So we gotta enjoy this moment. We gotta keep pushing for what we want, what we love, what we care about. I love y'all. I appreciate y'all for coming out, taking the time, and just being dope people. Love y'all.
Appreciate you too, bro.
Happy birthday!
Cheers, guys. Love
Blessings next year, life.
Records on records, got backers on backers, I'm riding around in a coupe. I take your bitch right from you. Bitch, I'm a dog. Beat the whole walls. Hop in the fall. Raindrop, drop top, smoking, no cooking the hot box. Fucking on your bitch, yeah, that. Cooking up dope in the crock pot. We came from nothing to something, nigga. I don't turn nobody, grip the trigger. Call up the gang and they come and get gang. Grab me a river, give you a touch. Bad, cooking up dope with a Uzi. My niggas are sad. We got 30s and 100 rounds too. My bitch bad, cooking up dope with a Uzi. My niggas are sad. We got 30s and 100 rounds too.
Happy Easter, guys.
It is Easter.
Resurrection Sunday.
Yeah, like pretty much directly west. If you go directly west, you're hitting Hong Kong.
Yeah.
You slept out on the chair out there.
Alright.
You slept on the chair.
Who put the blanket on me, bro? Alright, I'm about to say. Everybody said no. I said somebody coming in here and put blankets on me.
Like a thief in the night.
He just a blanket guy.
I'm gonna be the blanket police. I sense that you were cold. I sense it comes in.
I woke up, I had this blanket. I said, what the?
But make sure we're safe and well.
It was like the final boss, bro.
I was the final boss. I was close.
They kept passing the phone around to this one guy. Them niggas see everything.
With his eyes, oh, that's odd.
They got one.
And then when I saw him handing the phone back, he was just like,
Bro, defeated.
Why you keep your foot on
So I'm doing a voiceover because I lost the footage that I was going to use to introduce Darren's birthday dinner. So we went to this place called Filane's. I'm probably butchering the name as far as pronouncing it right, but it is actually in the Rose Resort that we had access to as being guests at the Pueblo Bonito Resort. So shout out to Darren for finding a really cute, nice dinner. The food was really good. I really liked the patio vibes. It was beautiful right by the beach. The service was amazing and I really enjoyed myself. So I just wanted to come on here and let y'all know what was going on, and I'm gonna let y'all enjoy the B-roll footage.
If the world was ending, would you cry or would you try to get me?
Day to you, happy birthday to you, yes sir. Happy birthday, dear Darren. Happy birthday.
Congratulations. Wow, perfect time.
Help me understand, can you tell me now why you made a war that we're fighting now? And you fall and you run when you see my big guns. Run around, run away as the rebel comes out. Then you call on me. When you call me, I come. But then you go again. With your deaf ears, open your mind to the sound of the trumpet. What do you want from a life of the hopeless? Now you want, you're begging and crying. I want to fly, yeah, I'm flying to morning. Running away to the land of discovery. Running away from the suffering, I'm gone, yeah. Running away from the darkness, I'm out, yeah. I have done all the limits, going way beyond the noise.
You gotta touch the water. Okay, y'all, so it's the next day, Monday, the last day that we have in Cabo. So after we got our COVID test, we took a shuttle from our villa down to this market to get some breakfast before we headed out to ATVs and bungee jumping. I really like the breakfast options here. They had like a lot of healthy options. They had Mexican breakfast options. They had pastries, coffee, really anything you could want. And this was probably the best buffet of breakfast that I've had at an all-inclusive resort. So this was definitely a great amenity, girl. If you are looking for somewhere with some good food, definitely check out Pueblo Bonito because they will not disappoint.
Birthday party ATVs this time. I want the birthday party with ATVs though.
Yes, sir.
About to go ride a little quick.
So this is the last night in Cabo. We actually shuttled over to the Rose Hotel again to eat at their all-inclusive restaurant there on the beach. The views were beautiful, y'all. Just look at the sunset. And we just basically went around the table and talked about what our favorite parts of the trip were. And I was just so proud of Darren and how far he's come, y'all. Me and Darren met working at the dining hall at Baylor, okay? Now I'm in tech and he works for Tesla. Like, when I tell y'all, this trip was everything. Never thought I would be in Cabo with my best guy friend, but I'm glad I was able to bring in his 27th birthday with him. I would definitely recommend Pueblo, Bonito, Montecristo for a group trip, family trip, anything, girl, because when I tell you the amenities, the service, and the stay was just top notch. Darren did a great job picking that place for us. And if y'all have any questions, don't forget to comment them down below. As always, thank you so much for watching. If you made it to the end, you're a real one, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye.